This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Snapchat and tapping your profile icon in the top left. This brings you to Account Controls. Once there, tap the gear icon to enter settings so you can find display options. Make sure your app is updated, because older versions may hide theme controls. You're doing this now to access appearance preferences. Once settings is open, move to the Display or App Appearance section. This is where dark versus light controls live and where the change begins. Next, scroll through settings until you locate App Appearance or Display. This label varies by platform and version, so look carefully. You'll see choices like Light, Dark, or Match System. Tap Light to force light mode. If you prefer the phone setting, choose Match System so Snapchat follows your device theme. Make sure to allow any permission prompts. Sometimes accessibility or battery settings override app themes, and adjusting those ensures the change will stick. Finally, confirm the change by exiting settings and checking the app interface. You should see light backgrounds and darker text. If it doesn't apply immediately, close Snapchat fully and relaunch to force the UI to refresh. If problems continue, clear the app cache or reinstall. This resolves corrupted theme settings. Make sure your device's OS theme is not forcing dark mode and verify Snapchat updates. Doing those steps fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.